Super up hip jumps. They're really cool. They're super weird.
I met all of my expectations. Naming trick, last second he pulls it off.
Oh yeah, Michael was huge on Vine. What up, Team Buckhouse? We're back in Colorado. We just had the most insane trip on the East Coast. Week on the East was a success. We rode powder on the East Coast the whole time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check this video out right here. But we're back in Colorado, and the first thing we gotta do after doing a snowboard trip is hit up the ski dock. We got Mike, and we're on a new whip today, and it's kind of thrashed. It's one of my older boards. So we're gonna tune her up, get her ready, and then we'll move into a camber snowboard, because it's that time of the year, guys, where it's like, start throwing some tricks. Let's try and get that 10 that we've been talking about and all that stuff. So we're gonna get this thing tuned up, and if you need a tune, or if a tune from your snowboard trip, or if you're going on a snowboard trip and you need a tune, or if you just show up from your snowboard trip to do a snowboard trip, hit up Michael, Ski Dock, link in the description. And yeah, let's knock this out.
Let's go!
Alright guys, this is the point of the day, or of waxing, that why you want to hire Michael.
You don't pay someone to wax your snowboard, you pay him to scrape it.
Exactly. Looks like a brand new snowboard. Alright.
Never been waxed.
Never been. Alright guys, since the boys ready, we're gonna get to the mountain. We're gonna ride copper today, but instead of like bringing you guys there, we're gonna like, you know, let's start snowboarding. Alright, the snowboard stiff, here we go.
I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me the notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I was sipping more for 2 years straight to the face. Champagne belly bubbles still won't go away. Last year my best man hit a stain with bad face. Now he's got a hell behind the water's cold case. I wake up with pain sometime and never go away. Wonder why I bow down to my knees when I pray. In my city gritty, gotta keep it on your waist, or you might be a victim, they'll find you DOA. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you.
Alright guys, the new snowboard's doing fine. Definitely always a weird feeling changing profile. So I went from a hybrid camber, plus it's pretty broken in, so my super noodly snowboard, to a stiffer snowboard. The goal is to, at this point in the season, is to now start trying to improve the riding. Before it's like, let's go and just enjoy snowboarding, let's snowboard for ourselves. Yeah, we'll work on some tricks and everything, but now it's like, all right, at the end of the year, these jumps won't be here forever. Like, let's start working on some bigger tricks. So we did a couple warm-ups through Peace Park. Now we're gonna head into the main park, and we're just gonna be riding a lot of copper. Copper's got a great jump line. So the idea is, let's get comfortable on these jumps. We're not gonna huck a 10 today, but let's just get comfortable with the jumps today. And then as we get come back and we're already comfortable with them, we can throw bigger tricks quicker. And then hopefully one day when we're feeling it, which a day like this is the best, gorgeous bluebird, we huck 10s. All right, that was a mouthful, but we're here, we're happy, Michael's killing it. And let's get back to snowboarding. So we came over to American Flyer Chairlift because the Woodward Express is like a 40-minute wait. They're like doing a competition in the park. So there's like a bunch of comp jocks out there filling up the lift line, but there's no wait here. It's such a nice day. I overdressed because it was -4 this morning and now it's like 30, but it feels like 7,000 degrees. I'm dying. But you know what else feels like 7,000 degrees? Today's sticker shout out. We got John Lemon with the white sticker on the helmet, looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging a sticker, supporting the dream. As well as we got Covis Boy with 2 Evolution stickers on the helmet and the amazing view, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of our merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, not only does 100% of that purchase go back into this channel, it's how I do this for a living, but it comes with guaranteed compliments. I promise you, if you're rocking a sticker on the helmet, someone's gonna say, that's a sick sticker. So make sure if you do snag any of the merch, you tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also, if you're not following my Instagram, you're 100% missing out. Follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of bonus extra content on my Instagram, as well as the stories let you know where we're riding each day. So if you're riding Copper and you can see that I'm at Copper, then you can come find me. We can take some laps or dab me up and everything like that. So follow my Instagram to know what I'm doing, but also you should follow my TikTok. TikTok's starting to be a thing, so I feel like if you followed the TikTok, it wouldn't hurt. I'm posting there, so more content. What are you posting nowadays?
Y'all can check out my Vine.
Oh yeah, Michael was huge on Vine.
Naming tricks last second, you pulled it off.
So like right now, the thing I'm struggling with the most is the rails with the stiffer snowboard, the less flex. I can't grab it like I used to with my other snowboard. It's still fun. Michael wants a snack from this Mountain Dew shack though. We're gonna go get it.
I love snacks and I love Mountain Dew.
Snacks and Mountain Dew. So I'm excited to take a quick little break. This snowboard, it's amazing how changing profiles is using different muscles in my feet. So my feet are more tired, sore. They hurt. My feet hurt really bad compared to they normally do because of the new board. Big old Mountain Dew bus. This taco walks. So this only happens a couple of times throughout the season when the expectations of the day don't hit the reality. Like I was expecting like, okay, it's just me and Michael today, hard charging, gonna throw down. But I also knew like, okay, I'm swapping to a different snowboard. I'm gonna be a little uncomfortable with it. And so I am uncomfortable, so I'm not throwing down like I was hoping to throw down, but also the park has been busier because they're doing a competition, so we're not getting as many laps and everything like that. So when your days are not going to your expectation or what you were hoping the day was gonna be, thankfully it's a beautiful, warm, sunny day. It's okay to pivot and to just do some other stuff. Like we've been taking a couple tree runs, we've been doing some longer runs, we've been riding a different chairlift and kind of just pivoted the day to where it's still a sick, fun day. We're having a blast, but we're not forcing something and getting frustrated that it's not happening. So a lot of people, I see it, they come out on the mountain, they're like, I'm gonna learn how to back three today, and then there's like not the proper jump to do it, or like it just, the expectation, the reality doesn't meet their expectation, and that's okay. Sometimes you gotta go get some nacho cheese fries and just mow down on the chairlift.
I met all of my expectations.
Just so you guys know where my thought is. We got a little bit more runs in us, and then we'll get out of here. I'm just excited to be getting on a snowboard with more pop, a more aggressive snowboard. I've been like wanting to ride pretty aggressive, but the snowboard, feeling like the snowboard was kind of leaving me behind. We're gonna go back to the crazy up jumps. I've never, like, super up hip jumps. They're really cool. They're super weird. This is so scary. I can't even talk. I thought I was dead. I thought I was gonna die right there. Ah! I went for a 5 and threw a 7 to my butt. Today's such a workout. You wouldn't think by increasing the stiffness of your board like this much that your legs would burn so bad. I will say though, I am getting the response out of this snowboard that I want, that assist with landing, the snap on a takeoff. Like I definitely happy I switched to a camber board. It's just gonna take a second to get used to it. So like 2-3 days of riding and then it's gonna feel normal. Especially like rails, we're gonna have to definitely do like a rail session to kind of like get the rails back to normal. But it is what it is, not a big deal. Big shout out to Michael coming out and filming today too. And we're gonna take out the sled tomorrow.
Yep.
Go pow surfing. If you don't know what that is, it's a snowboard, kind of. It's like a wood snowboard, a little smaller, that doesn't have bindings. You
No binders.
You just stand on it and send it. Typical Michael mentality. So
Slams hurt.
I'm super excited to test that baby out. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And this one's Chipmunk, by the way. I've lost my ollie. The one thing with camber snowboards, your ollie point changes. My ollie's like itty bitty right now. Once again, we'll figure it out. Not a big deal. I don't think we could ask for a better day. I don't know if I said this, but it was a sick day. Once again, if you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, please smash that like button. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. It will bless me if you smash the like button, so please smash it. If you're new again, subscribe to the channel. I think I said to subscribe to it. I don't know what I plugged. I actually made another video today, a how to duck walk video. That's when you like on flat ground you like run. So if you are struggling with that and need help with it, I did make that video for you, so check it out. And with all that being said, Email Gus, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow on a POW surfer. It's gonna be sick.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.